ActiveCampaign tags and automations for membership sites. This video is about a small portion of a free masterclass that I taught for creating a membership site so you can sell your online courses in an afternoon. Now, if you haven't seen it, I would recommend after this video, go to IntegratePro.co/YT video. We're going to cover tags and automations in ActiveCampaign specific for membership sites. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is because you really want to be consistent in your naming convention. I know that might seem kind of trivial, but trust me, the more courses that you have for sale, you're going to want to make sure that they're very well organized. And I actually created a tool that I'm going to show you to help with building the 4 tags and the 8 automations associated with a membership site. So let's dive right in. Super simple tool here. All you need to do is provide the product name, because that's the basis of your tag names and your automations. So just give it whatever the name of the product is, and I'm going to show you something. Great products. It's going to make some slight changes to the way you name it, but it's really for consistency's sake. So once you've done that, go ahead, click on submit, and there are the tags, the 4 tags that you want to create. And then these are the names of the automation. So you're going to create the 4 tags. You can basically copy paste that into ActiveCampaign to create the tags. And then you can import the automations that are used for this and then go and rename them this. So just a couple things I want to point out. I capitalized every word of your product, and I got rid of anything that wasn't a letter or number. So in other words, that apostrophe doesn't show up. And I know that might seem trivial, but it makes it so much easier to follow along, and especially if ActiveCampaign can accept strange characters, it makes it easier. And then also, if you want, just click on the word tags, and that will open up the video to the exact spot where I explain how tags work. Same with automations. And if you want to save this off, go ahead and click on download, and then that should be a text file, and hopefully you can see it. Basically, it spits back what you provided, which is the product name, the tags, and the automation. So you've got that for reference. And then the name of the file is the product itself. So again, this is just one small part of the masterclass. So if you want to visit and see that video, go to IntegratePro.co/YT video.